Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to cook a delicious turkey in the oven. Whether it's for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just um, a special family dinner, the step-by-step guide will ensure your turkey comes out juicy, flavorful, and perfectly roasted. So let's get started. First, gather your ingredients and tools before we begin cooking. So let's gather everything you need. Ingredients: 1 whole turkey. Size will vary depending on how many people you are serving. Typically 12 to 14 pounds is great for 8 to 10 people. Then salt and pepper, olive oil or butter. Then fresh herbs. It can be rosemary, thyme, sage. Then you need garlic, onion, lemon. Then turkey stock or broth for basting and extra flavor. Then you need tools: roasting pan, rack for the turkey. It helps for even cooking. A meat thermometer, kitchen twine to tie the legs if needed, and aluminium foil. Before you even touch the turkey, let's get the oven ready. Now preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. This is the ideal temperature for slow roasting your turkey to perfection without drying it out. Now that your oven is preheating, let's prepare the turkey for roasting. First, remove the giblets and neck. When you unwrap the turkey, make sure to remove the giblets and neck from inside the cavity. You can save them for making turkey gravy or a stock if you like. Use paper towels to pat the turkey dry. This helps the skin get nice and crispy while roasting. Generously season the inside of the cavity with salt and pepper. You can also add a few herbs, garlic clover, and even half a lemon inside the turkey for extra flavor. Now rub the olive oil or melted butter all over the skin of the turkey. This helps the skin become golden and crispy as it roasts. Don't forget to season the outside with salt and pepper. If you want your turkey to cook more evenly, tie the legs together with kitchen twine. This helps to hold the shape and allows the turkey to roast uniformly. Now that your turkey is seasoned and ready, let's set it up for roasting. If you have a roasting rack, place it on the bottom of the roasting pan. This allows air to circulate around the turkey and cooks it evenly. If you don't have one, just place the turkey directly in the pan. If you want your turkey to stay moist, you can add about 1 cup of turkey stock or broth to the bottom of the roasting pan. This will help keep the turkey juicy and add flavor. Now comes the fun part: roasting the turkey. Put the turkey in the oven. Place your roasting pan in the preheated oven breast side up. Make sure the turkey is centered and has enough room for air circulation. The general rule of thumb for roasting time is 15 minutes per pound. So for a 12 pound turkey, you will need to roast for about 3 hours. Keep in mind that oven times can vary, so it's always good to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. Every 45 minutes, baste your turkey with the pan juice. This can help keep the meat moist and adds extra flavor to the skin. However, try not to open the oven too often, as this can affect cooking. Now, the most important step to ensuring your turkey is cooked properly is to check its internal temperature. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey's thigh. The turkey is done when the thermometer reads 165 Fahrenheit. The breast should also be around 160 Fahrenheit. Once your turkey is reaches correct temperature, remove it from the oven and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and juicy. Now it's time to carve and serve that beautiful golden turkey. If you tie the legs together with two and carefully remove it, then start by slicing the legs and thighs of the turkey. Then carve the best meats. Serve the turkey with your favorite sides. Gravy and enjoy. And that's it. A perfectly roasted turkey ready for your family and friends to enjoy. Whether it's for a holiday feast or a cozy dinner, this method will ensure your turkey comes out juicy, tender, and full of flavor every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cooking tips and recipes.